Hello and welcome back to the channel. So now in this video I bring you a fun little story about two, I think they call themselves slay women or slay mama or slay, so you know that sector, those type of women. So two of them having a bit of a set to over skin toning and bleaching. So one is called Cee-C. So she's a celebrity apparently. She's come out of whatever arena she's come out of to celebritydom. So she's a celebrity and now she has a presence on social media, and obviously people are going there to make a comment. So now somebody has made a comment about her bleaching her skin and she didn't take very kindly to that. So this is then what ensued. So here we go. Cee-C savagely blast lady who accused her of skin bleaching, and then it goes on to show a picture of the two of them. A lady got more than she asked for after she went to Cee-C's Instagram page to accuse her of skin bleaching, which the reality star didn't find funny. So she's a reality star. So now this is the sequence of events. So now this is the lady at Cynthia La Love, her name is, so that's her Instagram handle, at Cynthia La Love. So she goes at Cee-C official, Hunty, stop bleaching your face and forgetting your legs. And then she goes on to add a series of laughing emojis, and Cee-C of course didn't take kindly to this. So she went, same bleaching you used for your eyes that is preventing you from seeing clearly. So that's quite a spiky remark. So it goes on. Meanwhile, not only did Cee-C deliver an epic clap back at the woman over her comment on her pictures, her fans also descended on the woman's Instagram to drag her. So now she set her fans after this lady that made that acerbic remark. So Mad Slug 420, just love and glasses. And then Success Chuku, Jesus so at Cee-C official, come and see the old wicked witch to come to insult you on your wall. So she's gone to the woman's page to have a look at her picture and she's not particularly impressed. And then we have another person, just look at your face like buffalo insulting. Old woman as well, are you not ashamed of yourself, mumu? And then this person carries on, this same character that just left that previous comment carried on. See who is calling someone a bleach person. Just look at your face, and then drops a lot of emojis. And then another person goes, just laughing emojis. And then another one, mumu. And then Ogemimi 22 or Ogomimi 22. Restart idiot. You mean you come to Cee-C's page to comment nonsense when you don't even have a specific skin color? So it's just all out beach fest in this one. This is the Temple Company. Awesome. Success Chuko came back again. Cheap prostitute. Jenny Wax, you even bleach your eye. So it's like, I think there's a bleaching community that's in Nigeria where they just do their thing, you know. So yes, this comment repeats again and again. Let me just see if there's a new one. So Ogomimi 22 is not finished. Retarded idiot. That should be retarded idiot. You mean you come to Cee-C's page to comment nonsense when you don't even have a specific skin color? I think we've had that one. And then we have Litish, scarecrow, just one word. And then retroking UK, old woman like you, no sense. And then laugh emoji. And then we have Adokere Day mate. The fact that you are an elderly person, why go on her page to bully her? Not nice at all. Oh. So that one is just trying to be neutral, but you can see where she's going with that. And then we have Fola Adeoba, see you the python trolling, and then laugh. You see why you will remain single at over 50, useless frustrated idiot. And then a wink, and then same till date. You know, so on and on it goes. You know, it's just a fun little thing that goes on within the Nigerian community. I could read you the comments forever, but it just drags on and on. I never knew who this Cee-C woman is, and I probably almost certainly don't want to know who she is from here on in. It's just a fun little story that I'm bringing to you guys, and I'll be closing the book on this person from here on in, because there's only so much that the mind can take, and I cannot take or bear these kind of people. That's not to say there's anything wrong with them. They're just not of my taste, and they are obviously of other people's taste. So you have to go with what you like. And this is not really my sector, but it just came to me, I saw it, it tickled me, and I decided to share it with you guys. So what do you think? What is your comment? Comments on the bleaching community. This seems to be a new, I'm not sure if it's new, but certainly something that I'm just coming into now. So there's a whole community around skin toning and skin bleaching, and it seems to be a real veritable beach fest within that community. So that's what they do. Women toning their skin, forgetting to tone one bit, and then having a two-toned skin. We've always had that in Nigeria, and I think that will always continue. I think they have that in India too. It's deep set in the Indian culture too, was certainly deep set in the Nigerian culture, in the African culture. I know the Ghanaians do it too. So there you have it. The bleaching community, what says you? Do you bleach your skin? What is your take on this? Let's have a conversation around bleaching in the comment section. But before we go have conversations around skin tones in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes from red to gray, the bell button so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Once you've done both, come join me in the comment section, and my phone is going off, so from here I'll say peace.